Hello everyone, my name is Bhagyashi Kulkarni and I am an assistant professor at PICT in the Artificial Intelligence and Data Science department. Today we are going to have a very interesting and insightful conversation on artificial intelligence. We have a special guest with us today, Amol Ujagare, who is an AI business coach, author, and automation expert. What makes this even more special is that he is also an alumnus of PICT College, having completed his engineering in information technology from here. It is always inspiring to see our alumni doing such impactful work and coming back to share their knowledge and experience with us. So, without further delay, let's warmly welcome Amol sir and begin this interesting conversation on AI.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for the warm welcome. It is always a pleasure for me to come back to the college, whether it is an alumni meet, a session online or offline, or even a podcast like this. I genuinely enjoy being here. It always feels special to reconnect with PICT because I have very sweet and memorable experiences from my time here. This place has given me a lot, and coming back here brings back those emotions. So, yes, I truly love coming back to the college and being a part of such conversations.
Amol sir, today we see so many AI tools in the market, but the real question is how can professionals actually use them effectively?
That's a great question. Honestly, the problem is not the tools, it's the lack of clarity. Most people try AI randomly without knowing what they actually want to achieve. The real power of AI comes when you use it with a clear goal in mind, whether it's content creation, coding, automation, or decision making. When your input is structured and intentional, AI can give you extremely powerful and useful outputs.
Many people say they don't get the right answers from the tools like ChatGPT. Why does that happen?
That usually happens because prompt writing itself is a skill. AI is not magic, it responds based on how you ask. If your question is vague, the answer will also be vague. But when you provide proper context, define the tone, and clearly mention your goal, the quality of output improves drastically. In fact, prompt writing is becoming one of the most important skills for professionals today.
Is this useful only for big companies? Or can individuals also benefit from AI?
AI is for everyone, not just large organizations. Whether someone is a student, developer, tester, content creator, freelancer, or even a small business owner, AI can significantly improve their productivity. It helps save time, enhance quality of work, and allows individuals to compete at a much higher level without needing large teams or resources.
There is also a fear that AI might replace jobs. What's your perspective on that?
I always say that AI is not replacing jobs, it is replacing outdated skills. People who learn how to use AI effectively will grow faster, while those who ignore it may find it difficult to keep up. In reality, AI is creating new opportunities, new roles, and even new income streams. The key is to adapt and upgrade yourself continuously.
That makes sense. But many people feel overwhelmed with so many tools. If someone wants to learn AI in a structured and strategic way, where should they start?
That is exactly where most people get stuck. Instead of jumping from one tool to another, the right approach is to understand AI as a complete ecosystem. You need to learn how different tools connect, how they can be applied in real world scenarios, and how they fit into your daily workflow. Once you understand this structure, using AI becomes much simpler, more effective, and far less overwhelming.
So, are there any structured programs where people can learn this in a proper way?
Yes, absolutely. We are conducting a 50-hour value added online certificate course on AI productivity tools in association with PICT College. This program is designed to give practical exposure to modern AI tools and, more importantly, to show how they can be used in real world workflows and professional scenarios.
What exactly will participants learn in this program?
The program focuses on helping participants understand and apply AI across multiple areas such as research, content creation, coding assistance, workflow automation, and overall professional productivity. The goal is not just to teach tools, but to help participants use AI in real life situations so that they can immediately start applying what they learn in their work or business.
What makes this program different from other AI courses available online?
Most courses focus only on teaching tools, but this program focuses on building systems, thinking, and execution. We emphasize real world applications, practical demonstrations, and hands on learning so that participants don't just learn concepts but actually implement them. The idea is to move from learning to doing.
And if someone wants to join, how can they apply?
The program is starting from 6th April 2026. Anyone who is interested can check the link given in the description for complete details and enrollment. My suggestion would be to not just learn AI passively, but to start applying it actively in your daily work.
Any final message you would like to share with our audience?
AI is not the future anymore, it is the present. The only question is whether you will use it to grow or be replaced by someone who does. I would like to sincerely appreciate the efforts of Honorable Sri R. S. Kothavale sir, the Management Trustee, and Honorable Sri S. M. Shirshikar sir, the Secretary of Society for Computer Technology and Research, for their continuous vision and support. I would also like to express my gratitude to Dr. P.T. Kulkarni sir, Director of PICT, and Dr. S.T. Gandhe sir, Principal of PICT, for their encouragement and guidance. Along with this, I would especially like to thank Shweta Dharmadikari Madam, the head of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department, and her entire team for the constant support, encouragement, and for taking the initiative to create such a valuable and future focused program. It truly reflects the commitment of the entire team towards bringing practical, industry relevant, and future ready learning to students and professionals.
Thank you so much, Amol sir, for sharing such valuable insights with us today. I am sure this conversation has given a lot of clarity to everyone about how to approach AI in a practical and structured way. It was truly inspiring to hear your journey and your perspective on how AI is shaping the future of work and careers. I am confident that this discussion will motivate many students and professionals to start exploring and applying AI in their own domains. For those who are interested in learning AI in a structured and practical way, as discussed, the details of the program are available in the link given in the description. I would encourage you all to take advantage of this opportunity. Thank you once again, Amol sir, for joining us today. And thank you everyone for watching this video. Have a great day.